Hey what's guys, Keep Encoded, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Cosmic Wushuang M. So 5 is my favorite event, and my main is currently the Supernova Wushuang M, and I really like it. But obviously I want an upgrade, so I decided to get the Cosmic version. So as you can see, I got it on stickerless, because that's just what Felix likes to do. Now I just gotta open this up. Alright, here it is. So it just looks like a normal stickerless Wushuang M, nothing really special there. Cosmic logo on top, and this is some first turns. Jeez, yeah, this is extremely sluggish right now, and I'm pretty sure it's going to take like 100 solves to fully break this thing in, but that's fine, because I have time. You know, the thing about Cosmic Cubes though, is that you're trying to make an unboxing of them, and then they're like really sluggish, and you can't really say anything else. You're just like, wow, this is sluggish, I hope it's going to be good later. And that's really it. There's not much to say after that. I feel like breaking in a little bit, but as I said, I really can't judge this right now because this is not how the cube is going to feel after a while. You know, I actually used to have a Cosmic Wushuang M, and then someone stole out of the competition, and I really missed it, so nice to have one back again. Okay, yeah, I can't think of anything else to say. So yeah, I'm really excited to break this in a little bit more, and I'll be giving you guys a review once I know more about it. So it's been a few weeks since the unboxing, so here's some updated thoughts on how the cube performs. So I've done a few hundred solves on this cube, which means that the lube is completely broken in now, and it's really good. Actually, saying really good is kind of an understatement. It's crazy. Like, I've been solving a lot faster on this cube compared to my Supernova Wushuang M, which by itself was a really good 5/5. So I used to average around 110, now I'm around 107, and I got a PB single, and it was my first ever sub 1. I actually made a little video about it on Instagram, and you can take a look at that. Follow me at Keeping Encoded. Now, is it worth it? I mean, it's $70, and $70 for a 5/5, I'm like, what? Like, I remember when like 7x7s were like $50, and everyone was all like, $50 for a 7x7, that's insane, and now we're getting like $70 5/5s, and everyone seems to think that's fine. I mean, if your main event is 5/5, then by all means, get this cube, just save up for a while, but if you just want a really good 5/5, if you get the non-magnetic Supernova Wushuang, then I think that should be really good. Personally though, I love this 5/5, I'm probably not going to get a new one in a while, because this is just so good, and it should last me a really long time. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.